All right, we are going to figure out how to put transitions into our WeVideos. So it's going to be really easy. So I've got my video one here. I'm just going to drop a couple of videos here just randomly and have another one. And I want to look at transitions. What kind of a transition do I want to put in? A cross zoom maybe? Do I want to do a cross dissolve? I like cross dissolve. Oh, look at that example that it gives me there. It's a little too, how about burn? Oh, look at that. Okay, so I'm going to drag and drop that transition and in between the two video clips, and I'm going to test it out. I'm going to take my cursor a little before. Oh, look at that. That's a little bit of cross dissolve there. Pretty cool. So lots of transitions in that transition tab for you to check out and try out. And always super, super fun.